103.5 FM, or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Okay, guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're watching from. Thank you so much for joining. And then remember to like, subscribe, and share, right? Hit the subscribe button right here. Then check out my book on Amazon.com, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Efan Chukwuekeze. Thank you.
Ekene Maria, Egypt na Gracia, Osebruwa Nenyeli, Ide Ngozi n'etiti Igboro niile, ọ jazi Ngozi bụ nwafọ gị Jesu.
Maria dị asọ nne nke Chukwu, rịọbara ebe ndị nje arịrịọ, kịta na n'ọnwa anyị. Amen.
Okwu emela arụ. Ekene Maria, Egypt na Gracia, Osebruwa Nenyeli, Ide Ngozi n'etiti Igboro niile, ọ jazi Ngozi bụ nwafọ gị Jesu.
Maria dị asọ nne nke Chukwu, rịọbara ebe ndị nje arịrịọ, kịta na n'ọnwa anyị. Amen.
Yọbara anyị ayọ ọnne nke Chukwu dị asọ.
O wetara ịnata nkwa nke Kristi.
Ayịyọ, anyị na-arịọ gị o Chukwu, ka erinye Kraịst anyị n'ime obi anyị, ka anyị bụ ndị nje butere ozi ọma, wee mara iwere arụ Kristi nwa gị, site n'afọ ya na obi ya, wee bata n'otito na mbilite n'ọnwụ ya, site na Kristi dị mere anyị. Amen. Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Etu ọ dị n'isi na kịta na ebo niile n'ụwa ebe ebe. Amen.
Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Etu ọ dị n'isi na kịta na ebo niile n'ụwa ebe ebe. Amen.
Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Etu ọ dị n'isi na kịta na ebo niile n'ụwa ebe ebe. Amen.
Ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile kwerenụ gara aga,
site n'ebere nke Chukwu gara zuru ike na ndokwa.
ka mkpụrụ obi fa zuru ike na ndokwa.
Amen.
Onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụnụ.
Nọnyekwara mmụọ gị.
Ka Chineke ji ike niile gọzie ụnụ. Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Ekele abịala site na nkwado ndị Love Bite Foods and Beverage Limited Nnobi. Ndị na-alụpụta Love Bite Bread nọ na nọmba 1 Nwosu Mmadụka Close, Mmuru Nnobi, 081-49-82-8254. Ebonadi FM, 24 hours of informative, educative, and entertainment programs. Can't stop, won't stop. On Ebonadi 103.5 FM. Listen to news updates on Ebonadi 103.5 FM immediately after Angeles 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebonadi FM breaks the news with actualities.
And the link that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria.
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/gistfm.
Good evening and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM News Update. Today, Tuesday, the 19th day of March, 2024. And the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Efan Chukwuekeze is my name. The headlines. Obiano tax Soludo on conduct of government officials. Abia State to get $125 million from Islamic Development Bank for roads. Catholic Diocese of Aguilera celebrates a one-year anniversary in grand style. Trump unable to pay $464 million bond in New York fraud case, his lawyers say. Now, details. Obiano tax Soludo on conduct of government officials. Immediate past governor of Anambra State, Chief Willie Obiano, has emphasized the importance of responsible governance and encouraged Governor Chukwuma Soludo to ensure that all public officials uphold good principles in their work. In a statement released by his spokesman, Tony Nezianya, the former governor appealed to Soludo to address what he described as excesses of some government officials in the execution of their duties. Obiano commended Soludo's initiatives in road construction, education, and healthcare, urging him to continue the good work. He requested Soludo's attention to several legacy projects left behind by his administration, particularly the Anambra International Cargo and Passenger Airport, Umueri. The airport is a significant infrastructure, and its proper maintenance will provide economic opportunities and improved transportation for Anambra. Do not abandon these projects, but continue their maintenance and development to the benefit of the people of Anambra, he said. Abia State to get $125 million from Islamic Development Bank for roads. The Islamic Development Bank has earmarked $125 million to facilitate the Abia State Integrated Infrastructure Development Project. This strategic initiative, revealed in a statement by the Islamic Development Bank, is part of a broader $225 million of funding approved designed to propel new development ventures shared by the esteemed His Excellency Dr. Muhammad Al Jassar, President and Group Chairman of Islamic Development Bank. The bank's 354th meeting of the Board of Executive Directors saw the green light given to two pivotal projects aimed at fortifying socio-economic growth and sustainability in critical sectors. The $125 million allocation for Nigeria is poised to significantly reduce travel times and costs on major roads, concurrently enhancing market accessibility and social services for the local populace. Emphasizing inclusivity, the project promises to bolster mobility for all residents, prioritizing safe and accessible transport options. Catholic Diocese of Aguilera celebrates 1 year anniversary in grand style. Though Catholics all over the world observe the Lent period at this time, but due to the creation of Aguilera Diocese over a year ago, members of the diocese gathered at St. Joseph Catholic Cathedral, Aguilera, on Sunday, the 17th day of March 2024, in Thanksgiving for the celebration of 1 year anniversary of the diocese. On Friday, 17th March 2023, the Auxiliary Bishop of Onitsha Archdiocese, Most Reverend Dennis Isuzo, was enthroned the first bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Aguilera by the Holy Father, His Holiness Pope Francis. The newly erected Catholic Diocese of Aguilera comprises 4 local government areas, namely Anambra West, Anambra East, Oyi, and Ayamelum. During his sermon, the bishop harped on the benefits of Block Rosary in development of the young ones in the diocese as he inducted members of the Catholic Boys and Girls Organization. He also appreciated the former governor of Anambra State, Chief Willie Obiano, for St. Joseph Catholic Cathedral. Here is a report. Please take a listen.
On Friday, 17th March 2023, Pope Francis canonically erected the Catholic Diocese of Aguilera, as well as installed the first bishop of the diocese, Most Reverend Dennis Shady Isuzo, a year later. On Sunday, the 17th day of March 2024, though on Lent period, the Catholic Diocese of Aguilera gathered at St. Joseph Catholic Cathedral, Aguilera, in Thanksgiving to celebrate 1 year anniversary as a diocese.
If that should happen, the decision of the Holy Father. So at his own good time, he erected the diocese. So that was a year ago. And we are so very happy about that.
The event, which started with 11 o'clock mass, experienced the blessing of children from different parishes with the sacrament of confirmation. During his sermon, Bishop Isuzo appreciated the former governor of Anambra State, Willie Obiano, immensely for St. Joseph Catholic Cathedral as well as other contributions in Aguilera Diocese. Bishop Isuzo pointed out the need for every priest in the diocese to learn how to speak Igala and Igbo language, as he acknowledged Aguilera Diocese as one with two indigenous languages, Igbo and Igala.
I remember language as diocese. The folk are also Igala. Family did so that could be. And some of the diocese. Even the Libanaja did, family did the Libanaja. Family so that could be. So they are also Igala. One back and both from Father, on that side, Anambra. And the farm does on the Kogi state. So, farm whether Anambra, Tanu, or now she more, but never go on Anambra state. So, I want to be better African and Swedish also. But I alone the back. I gave back up. I don't know. If I cut out to work, I will go to put up with that. You will go last straight up. You go like for any village. How quick it don't go body. I once more. I said about the time for you. So, in that Monday, Anambra West. No,
the Vicar General, Aguilera Diocese, Very Reverend Monsignor Nicholas Apanya, explains the need for a new diocese that is now 1 year old.
The Universal Church. So, when you structures, that is Jadi, Okumaka Cathedral, Kapadigo, Bishop Kapadigo, seminary, seminary. A seminary is essential for a diocese, for the growth of that diocese. So, the bishop could have waited, to get ready to start building a seminary, but he didn't want to wait. Immediately, the date for entrance examination for seminary was announced, and space assigned in the Chancery complex to house the seminarians temporarily. A rector appointed. Rector was appointed the very day of the inauguration of
the parish priest of St. Teresa Catholic Church, Umunya, Reverend Father John C.K., compared the creation of a new diocese to the creation of a state in terms of government, explaining the spiritual benefits of such faith.
Agitate for creation of more states. More states and more amenities. People start agitating for creation of more local government areas or more amenities. So you talk about the church. He created more dioceses. You make the grace of God nearer to the people of God. Bishop and defense, seminary, convents, schools, hospitals, and they got very nearer to them. So find trouble, benefit they can get from diocese.
From St. Joseph Cathedral, Ugundioka, Aguilera, Anambra East Local Government Area, Anambra State. Martin Epanshuku Ekeze reporting.
Now we move over to the foreign scene. Trump unable to pay $464 million bond in New York fraud case, his lawyers say. Donald Trump's lawyers told a New York appellate court Monday that it is impossible for him to post a bond covering the full amount of a $454 million civil fraud judgment while he appeals, suggesting the former president's legal losses have put him in a serious cash crunch. Trump's lawyers wrote in a court filing that obtaining an appeal bond in the full amount of the judgment is not possible under the circumstances presented. Trump claimed last year that he has a fairly substantially over $400 million in cash, but back-to-back courtroom defeats have pushed his legal debt north of $500 million. Citing rejections from more than 30 bond underwriters, Trump's lawyers asked the state's intermediate appeals court to reverse a ruling requiring that he post a bond covering the full amount in order to halt enforcement while he appeals the judgment in New York Attorney General Letitia James' lawsuit. Trump's financial constraints are being laid bare as he appeals Judge Orton Egron's February 16th ruling that he and his co-defendants schemed for years to deceive banks and issuers by inflating his wealth on financial statements used to secure loans and make deals. This is where we draw the curtain on news update on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Obiano tax Soludo on conduct of government officials. Abia State to get $125 million from Islamic Development Bank for roads. Catholic Diocese of Aguilera celebrates 1-year anniversary in grand style. Trump unable to pay $464 million bond in New York fraud case, his lawyers say. Here is a public service announcement about a missing child. Chikamso Faith Oguta, female, dark in complexion, 8 years old, from Ebonyi State but based in Mpo, Anambra State with her aunt, Okamaka. Father, Matthew Oguta. Mother is Chekube Oguta. Anybody with information on Chikamso Faith Oguta should call 080 64 11 4168 070 48 6604. There is announcement about a missing item. Someone forgot carton of aluminium foil in tricycle keke at Afigwe to Ugunwasike. The owner of this should come to the border at the 103.5 FM to lay claims to this item. A black school bag that contains some male clothes, a barrister's wig and gown, some documents which includes a Bachelor's of Law certificate, law school qualifying certificate, call to the bar certificate, national ID card, a receipt for payment of body benchers fees, remitter, printout for payment of alumni fee, online alumni form with some documents printout. On Saturday, 9th March 2024, it was misplaced around 9 p.m. in a tricycle keke that took off from Afampo down to Ugunwasike. It belongs to Jude Oluchukwu Okeke. Anybody with information on this item should call 080 37 16 3195 or 081 24 25 39. Good evening.
Listen to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus, 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona, the FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM. Admission, sale of forms for 2024-2025 academic session into JS1, JS2, and SS1. NTC1 is ongoing at Archbishop Hiri Technical College, Ugidi. It is a science and technology-based college for secondary education where creativity and innovation meet with entrepreneurship skills. Available departments include electrical installation and maintenance works, building construction, computer watercraft, GSM repairs, motor vehicle mechanics, and creative arts. We have ultra-modern hostel facilities, constant power supply, healthy water system, modern library, equipped standard laboratories, standard health clinics, conducive classrooms, and serene study environment. Entrance examination holds on Saturday, 23rd of March 2024. Accreditation begins by 7 a.m. Examination starts by 8 a.m. Venue, School Hall. Call 090 70 05 8396. Sign, Management. How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebonadi FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be, our government, whatever. Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. Your community. Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifanju, but the force every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebonadi 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face. On Emas near Ebonadi corner 24/7, 24/7. Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at Ebonadi 103.5 FM with Martin Ifanju is here every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders. And most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebonadi 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share, right? Hit the subscribe button right here. Remember to check out my book on Amazon.com. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Ifanju. Thank you. You rock.